Hello and welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Jaguar XF. It's the 2.2 diesel, the best one. It's a portfolio, top of the range, full specification, lovely condition considering its age and mileage. Got front park distance control, upgraded anthracite alloy wheels, keyless entry, beautiful burgundy colour, very classy, complements the interior. Rear park distance control, reverse camera. As you can see, it's absolutely gleaming. Inside the boot, it's obviously lovely condition. Full leather interior, two-tone contrasting with the same in colour as the exterior. Absolutely lovely. Carpet mats. So we've got electric seats, Meridian surround, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. Seats all in lovely condition. It's got the little extra Lamborghini flip charge. It's got DAB radio. Let's get to the menu. DAB radio, full media pack there as well. Satellite navigation, reverse camera with park distance control, heated seats, 3-stage heated seats, air conditioning. Got a lovely little storage facilities there. Central armrest with an aux and a USB. Paddle shifter if you want to drive it that way. You've got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. It's done 91,429 miles. Just look, you know, it's in really lovely condition. At DJH you can arrange full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.